and in all the endeavors that we are taking.
MIARIO ya URIA WARI MUCIRITHANIA MUNENE BURURI-INI David Maraga akiuga bururi ukirie kufofokana kimuhuko na kiuteti ni rarakite President William Ruto akinyiruria MIARIO ya Maraga.
I listened to one gentleman who retired the other day after working, I think, for 40-50 years. And he wants to be president. And I listened to him say, Kenya is a failed state. And I asked myself, so for 40 years, you have been working in a failed state?
Ari THOKOINI ya NSC gogoni-ini riria rigwikinyitio ni atongoria matiganite, Ruto niekirire nganja mito ya Maraga ya kwenda kuhitaitanira giturwo kia president mwaka-ini wa 2027 agikuruhanagia bururi na gukorwo wiremetwo.
You want to be president of a failed state? Really? You want us to entrust you to the leadership of a country you don't believe in, to a people you don't believe in?
Ruto ho ndanetigithia gukirira atongoria a mwena wa MUNG'ETHANIRO akiringithania ritana riao ria kwenda kumweheria wathani-ini hatari na mubango mwagiriru na thuguri ya kuhorania mbeca.
To me, that sounds like the wash conmanship. If you seriously have a plan that does better on the economy than I have, that does better on health than I have, that does better on creating jobs than I have, that does better on education than I have, you should be bold enough to tell us.
Na miaka itatu riu kuma Ruto aigira wabici-ini, Akenya magithie na mbere gutetia thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni kuremwo ni gukinyaniria ciiraniro ciayo kuri muingi. President no athite na mbere gukinyiriria ni kuhingia ciiraniro ciothe kuri muingi.
The pledges I made to Kenyans are being realized one by one, day by day, pledge by pledge. And I remain committed to fulfilling every single one of them.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.